How are you today? It's a beautiful weather out. It seems like the monsoon is still going on in our parts, yeah, and I know it is scorching hot in some other parts. Do well to stay warm if it is cold where you are, and do well to hydrate, yeah, if it is hot where you are. All right, so this week is a special one. Yeah, we'll tell you why in a bit. We're going to be walking you through how we made one of our bespoke pieces. This is a poncho. This poncho, we made it with a houndstooth stitch, and intermittently included double crochet stitches with back loops. Yeah, sorry, in back post. Yeah, back post. I'm going to walk you through how all of that went down. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful poncho. Yeah, as you saw at the beginning of the video, and then we topped it up deliciously with this collar. This very long, very long collar that can be folded in. Yeah, that was the idea. We made it really long so that you could fold it in, really soft, fluffy, and nice to the touch. All right. So before I go on and walk you through all of that, are you new to our channel? You should totally go subscribe. On a weekly basis, we bring you brand new videos, inspiring you on all of the possibilities of crochet. We walk you through how we made one of our bespoke pieces like this one right here. We demystify what one celebrity or another wore. We recently did something on Taylor Swift, and it is amazing, amazing, amazing. If you haven't seen it, you should go see it. We interpret patterns, we draw patterns, we modify patterns, we do all sorts as far as it is related to crochet. We test yarn, we test hook sizes, we do all of that. So do well to subscribe. We have our galleries up on Instagram. For our wedding day apparel, you can find those at Makisode Weddings. And then for our everyday, yeah, casual, corporates, and accessories, you can find those at Makisode Models. Do well to follow, like, leave a nice comment, and share our content. All right, so yeah, this poncho was made in you say two main parts, just two parts. The body right here, and then this, which is the collar. It was the body and the collar. We started here. This is the start point. We walked the body first, and then we came back to walk the collar. All right. So I mentioned earlier that we work the body in houndstooth stitches. So these are houndstooth stitches. What did we do? Let's say you have a total number of start your foundation stitches are 100. Let me work with 100 for ease of computation. So let's say you started with 100. Means you're going to be finding your 50 spots. Stitch 50, yeah, and then stitch 100. Stitch 50 here and then stitch 100. That's where you're going to be working your increases. Yeah, you work your increases there. That is when you attain something like this, just one V. However, if you want to do stitch 25, stitch 50, stitch 75, and then stitch 100, you'll be having four. So it will come out like it will come out something like this, rather than what we have right here. It will come out here, like a square. It will end up being a square, but this one is just it's a triangle. All right, we just have this triangle right here, and it's really, really beautiful. So the triangular point, the pointy part, is where you wear that up front if you want to. You can also wear it towards the shoulders if you want to. All right, so what we did was, like I said, intermittently. So every sixth, seventh, and eighth row was worked in double crochet stitches, and then we back post. Yeah, we work the first row of the double crochet stitch normally. Then that second row of the double crochet stitch, we're going to be putting it in the back post. That is what will create this bulge up front. See that? You put it in the back post, it creates this bulge up front. Then work another 6 rows of houndstooth stitches, and then do this. All right, before I continue, all right, I mentioned earlier that this week is special. Our sister company, Makisode Bills, we are running a promo, right? It's the 5th year of existence for for the baby girl or baby boy. Yeah, it's a bill payment platform for those of us who are in West Africa, Nigeria to be precise. It is a bill payment platform. On this platform, you can pay all of your bills. You can buy data, very, very cheap data. You can get a 1 gig for as low as 185 naira for a validity period of 30 days. Yes, that right there. Yep, it's a great deal. Yeah, we sell super cheap data on that platform. Your airtime, you can get airtime from all your GSMs up there. You can pay your electricity bill on that platform. You can pay for your cable TV, your DSTV, your Go TV, whatever TV, so long as it's cable and it's national. Yeah, you can pay for that up there. You can even fund your betting wallet. Yeah, you can do all of that. The platform is convenient to use. It is reliable and it is affordable, super affordable. From the comfort of your home, yeah, you can get on board and use it. So yeah, celebrate with us. We're 5 years old. Celebrate with us. Celebrate with us. So go and register. Registration is free of charge. No charge to the registration. And then once you register, begin to enjoy all of the beautiful rates that we have just talked about. So back to our poncho. Now, depending on the size of the individual, right, that might determine whatever number of stitches you start up here, and also the length of the body, right? So if it were for a small individual, let's say we would have just gone this set, and then a third set. But yeah, we wanted it to be really large, yeah, so we went a fourth and even a fifth set. Down here we had ended the double crochet stitch portion, and then just stuck to the houndstooth stitch. And then we did a little play with colors right here. Yeah, this is navy blue and gray, so you notice that it has different looks and feels all around the poncho, right? While at this other corner you have it properly, mixed there, and then at this corner this is what it looks like. So when we're done with that, edged with our famous single crochet, slip stitch and chains, slip stitch and chains. Yeah, that's about it. We came back to the collar, worked a very high collar. This collar works, it is about you would need up to 30 rows, 30 rows to 40 rows to achieve this length of collar, so that you're able to fold it in. What did we do? The front post, back post stitch, front post, back post, front post, back post is what achieved this for us. It's a beautiful, beautiful poncho, as you can see, and because of its neutral colors, it can go with almost anything that you own. Is there any part of this video that was quite unclear? Yeah, do let us know in the comments. We would do something a little bit more explicit for you. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now. Yeah, before I leave, yeah, just in case you're too busy, right? You love the poncho, but you're too busy to work it, and then you need a help to do that. We'll do it for you for a token. Yes, we'll do it for you for a token. So reach out, do let us know which is yours, you want to learn, or you want us to make it